guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times. This is a quick unboxing, overview and hands-on with the Redmi Note 8, and there's also a surprise towards the end of the video. So this is the Redmi Note 8's box packaging. I hope this comes with a similar box package in India because it looks quite cool, and no information about certifications and those all come here, and it looks like a pretty decent box. And for the major specs, though you won't be able to understand a lot of it, it's 48 megapixel primary camera, Snapdragon 665, 4000 mAh battery, 18-watt fast charging. Most of the important specs are present here. It comes with a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus resolution display, and it's an IPS LCD display that was present earlier as well on the Redmi Note 7 and the Note 7 Pro. So in the box package, first thing is this SIM ejector tool. Then you have the transparent cover, that's the rubber cover. We already have unboxed it and used the phone to test it out, so you won't see the exact box package, but there are some manuals that are given here, and there's this transparent cover that comes with the camera cutout and also the cutout for the fingerprint sensor. And apart from that, now this is the phone, the Redmi Note 8, and this Note 8 we bought the white color option because there were options. I felt that white should actually look much better than the others, and it has that quad camera combination on the back, also the fingerprint sensor towards the back, and kind of a gradient design. It looks similar to the Vivo S1, and on the front this is the 6.3-inch display. We'll keep it aside. Let's check out what else comes in the box package. So Xiaomi has opted for Type-C anyway on the Redmi Note series now, so it's Type-C cable that you see here, and along with that you have this travel adapter that comes with a 5V3A or 9V2A, so 18-watt charger is present in the box. I hope again this thing is maintained in India as well. When the phone launches, you get an 18-watt fast charger. So this is the physical aspect of the phone, the 6.3-inch display with a notch on the top, and there's also the chin towards the bottom, which is quite expected anyway. And along with that, you have the IR blaster on the top with the secondary microphone. Towards the bottom is a microphone, dual holes for the microphone. There's 3.5 headset jack, there's USB Type-C port, also the speaker grill, and on the left is the SIM card access tray area, and on the right are the power button and the volume rocker buttons. If you remove the SIM card access tray, you'll see that it has a dedicated micro SD card slot, which is a good thing. You don't have to compromise with one of the SIM slots. You have the dedicated option there. Now this is the MIUI, and MIUI based on Android 9 Pie is what you get here. And internally the phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665, the 11nm chipset with the Adreno 610 GPU, and there are variants from 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, 6GB RAM, 64GB storage, 6GB RAM, 128GB storage. So available storage would be around 48GB out of 64GB, and this is Android 9 version, so Android 9 Pie. We might see the Android 10 later. It's MIUI 10.3.2 stable, the global MIUI that you're seeing here, and not the Chinese one. And you have some pre-installed applications, obviously, that's gallery, games, and get apps, security as well. The fingerprint sensor is present on the back of the device. This is the fingerprint sensor, and it's quite regressed and seems to be quite good enough here. So apart from the fingerprint unlock, you also have the face unlock, which is a standard feature under the settings. If you go into the security settings, you'll find that option for the face unlock as well. So apart from that, you have the Mi AI application, second space is present as well, and there's MIUI light mode, and also these button and gesture shortcuts and everything is present here. And apart from that, you can now go to the camera application. Let's check out the camera here. It's the quad camera setup, so obviously there's quite a lot that you might be able to do. Since it's 48MP, you can actually take 48MP Ultra HD photos here, and there's portrait mode, there's night mode, there's panorama and pro mode as well. Now if you go to video, that's where we wanted to see the resolution. So you can have 4K videos taken at 30 FPS, and you can also take 1080p videos at 30 FPS. I guess you don't have the option for 60 FPS for the Full HD videos as well. We might be able to capture it. We don't see the option there. There's options for slow motion and short video as well. 2x digital zoom is present here. It's not optical zoom, it's only digital zoom. And there's this ultra wide camera, which is the 8 megapixel camera that is present for the wide captures. And there's also the macro mode, which takes advantage of the 2 megapixel macro camera to take some close-up shots. This is a selfie camera of the phone. This is a 13 megapixel f2.0 selfie camera, and you have the option for portrait here as well and AI beautification. or you can actually turn it off if you want, clear, and without the beautification as well. So not much in the selfies. For the video recording, you can take 4K videos, and it would be interesting to see how the Snapdragon 665 works here with the ISP to process the photos, since it's a good 48 MP camera, the Sony IMX586, similar to how the Mi A3 had it, and also it's the same chipset that the Mi A3 had it. So we'll be doing a separate gaming review with the Snapdragon 665 and a camera review to see if the camera is good enough for this price. We are hoping this to see this priced at around 10 to 11,000 rupees in India for the base variant, since the Redmi Note 8 Pro will also come, and that should be around 15,000 rupees. So that's it. This is a quick unboxing, but before we end, this is the surprise for you guys. We are going to do a giveaway of this phone on our channel as well as on the Gizmo Times Hindi channel. So you have to subscribe to Gizmo Times Hindi, where the actual video for the giveaway would go live, and this is going to be a collaboration. It would be a good collaboration where we'll be giving multiple units of the Redmi Note 8. So stay tuned on Gizmo Times Hindi for the same, and I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.